How to create a free blog website on Blogger is what I'm going to show you in this video. Hey everyone, if you want to get yourself a free blog using blogger.com, you're in the right place. Keep watching. Now, the first step would be to go to blogger.com. As you can see here, blogger.com. If you go there, you'll get to this page. Now, in here, publish your passions your way. The first thing you can do is create your blog. Click the orange button. Now this prompts you to log in using your Google account due to blogger.com being from Google. So log in with your Google account. That's pretty much all you need in order to get yourself one of these. Now choose a name for your blog. This is the title that will be displayed at the top of your blog. So you can now name your blog however you want to call it. Let's say e-commerce hub. Let's go next. Check for address, e-commerce hub. See if that's available. It's not. Let's say ecom hub. Ecom hub isn't available either. Let's say how to get start ecom now is available. Now click next once you have an available blog address. Now confirm your display name. How do you want your name displayed to readers on your blog? You can use this, and whenever you publish a post on your blog, this will be the name displayed as the person that published and has written the blog. So let's say how to global. This doesn't even have to be your own name. This could be anything really. So as you can see here, e-commerce hub is now our blog. You can use this drop-down menu to create even more blogs on this account. But for now, we'll go through how to navigate through this. The first thing you see is new post, which is the button you will click to create new post. But first of all, we'll go through all these other options in the menu on the left. There's posts, which will show all your posts that you have created. Then there's stats, comments, earnings, pages to show different pages you have on your blog, layout, theme, settings, reading list, and view blog. So I'll show you by clicking view blog how our blog currently looks. This is how it currently looks. As you can see, visit profile. This is how to glow. The name that's being displayed whenever we are publishing a new article on here. Now let's exit out of this and go to settings on the left, which is the first thing you want to change. Now, as you can see here, basic is title, description, blog language, adult content. If you use this blog to make adult content and publish it, you can enable these two. You can change your favicon, which is this small little icon on the top of your browser tab next to your browser tab's description. So as you can see here, this blogger icon or logo is the favicon. You can change that as well by clicking favicon, then choose a file and upload a file. Please be a square image that's less than 100 KB. You can then save, and then you have your own favicon on here. But first, I would say click on description and enter a description for your blog. This has to ideally include a bunch of hashtags that you want to rank for using your blog so that your ranking on Google is higher. So let's say this is an e-commerce blog. So let's e-commerce, comma, let's say business, let's say finance, let's say drop shipping. Now you can use it to do this. So only add keywords, or you can write out a sentence. Let's say this blog is about e-commerce, business, finance, dropshipping, and more. Once you're happy with this description, then click save. And as you can see, this blog is about commerce, e-commerce, business, finance, dropshipping, and more. Now, if your blog language is different than English, you can click here and change any of these languages available to you. Now, visible to search engines, I would highly suggest you enable this if this is disabled. It's because you want people to find your blog through Google and whatnot. Publishing, the blog address is startecomnow.blogtoast.com. You can create a custom domain, a fallback domain, and even redirect domain. Now, if you want to start off, I'd say keep the blogpost.com one. It's free. If you make a couple of bucks per month, you can add a custom domain by clicking here and add your custom domain or buy one, which would make it look more professional. And that way you can increase your conversion rate. Here you can add blog admins and authors, pending author invites, and all these other things. Posts, max posts shown on main page, you could change here from 7 to, let's say, 6 to make it even, and that way it looks better. Post template, you can add one. Pre-format the post editor for each new post. You can do that if you want. You can't if you don't. Comment location embedded. Who can comment? Users with Google accounts. Only members of this blog or anyone. You can change this depending on your monetization strategy. And I think these are all the things we want to do in here for now. Now, what you want to do next is click theme on the left, and now customize your theme. The current theme is Contempo Light, but you can also go down here and look at all these templates that are around. This is Contempo, this is the one we have, but there are different ways this can look. As you can see here, they all look great. Then there's Soho, there's Emporio, Notable, Essential, Simple, Dynamic Views, Picture Window, and many more. Now, this depends entirely on what your blog is about and how you want to structure it. So let's go and use the Emporio. So let's go here, customize, and then there we go. This is how our blog currently looks. You can remove the background image in here or change image. You can then upload an image or choose one of these in here. Now ours is e-commerce, so let's go to this one. There we go. So our background is now about e-commerce. Main color is, as you can see here, powered by Blogger, which is blue. You can change this to green if you want to. As you can see, now it's green. Now go to advanced, and you can change page text, backgrounds, links, blog title, and all these things. Their font by going here, let's say impact, and then increase the pixel size to 30. There we go. So now everything is bigger. You can change the color scheme. You do it transparent or green as well. This green. Now you've changed the text color over here. And then there's gadgets, about me, show about me, pages, show pages as well over here. There's a homepage button now, which makes it look way more professional. Now, this looks good. Now, once you're done with this, go back. Now, first you have to go to save at the bottom right here. Click save. Save changes as saved. Updated custom template. Now go back. Now we can go to view blog again to look at how our blog is currently designed and how it looks like. This blog is about e-commerce, business, finance, and more. As you can see here, this is the description we entered. Then there's home, our home button. If we add more pages, we can see more pages over here. Now, let's go and post something. Create post, go to here. And now, this is where you create your blog posts. Now let me first enter your title at the top here. Enter your title. There you go. boost up your turnover and sales with mobile payments. And now in here, you can paste your normal blog post article, and you can now add pictures by clicking here, this picture icon, then click upload from computer, photos, blogger, and by URL. You can enter videos from YouTube and embed them or upload one from your PC. You can change different things over here to, let's say, paragraph subheading, which would make it rank higher on Google, because Google takes into consideration your H1 and H2, which is heading and subheading for blogs, in order to index it on the Google search engine. So keep that in mind. Once you're happy with the formatting of your blog post, you could go and publish it right now. But what you want to do first is go over here to permalink. And as you can see, this is the link this blog post would be posted under. This has the current date and any of these different long words that you don't actually want in your title. So click custom permalink, and then you can enter boost dash e-commerce dash sales. Now this article will be posted under boost e-commerce sales. That's exactly what we want, because those are keywords that we want to find this article under. Now click publish, click yes. And now, as you can see here, this is our article. You can view it now on a blog post. There we go. This is our article we just wrote. Then people can comment, people can share it on their socials. We can go back, and this is our homepage. And as you can see here, this is our blog post. If people want to read it or post a comment, they can click either here or here, click read more, and then they will get to our post. Now, there are a couple more things over here, which is stats. This way you can look at the all-time views of your blog, today's views, yesterday's blog views, this month and last month. So you can look at if your blog is performing better or worse than the last month. You can see your amount of followers, posts, and comments, the latest post, the views overall, the view itself, and the different pages. Then you can read your comments over here. You can look at your earnings when adding a AdSense account to your blogger. Then add pages over here. You can create a new page and then have different pages and make your categories of different things you write about on your blog. Let's say e-commerce and then stocks and then crypto or something. And then you can get people to click those pages, and then you have a list of different articles in those categories. Then layout, you can change your layout over here. So as you can see here, the top bar has about me, the sidebar has blog archive labels and abuse, report abuse, and then there's these headers. You can change around by clicking the pencil icon on the right and then enable and disable these widgets. Now, if you go to view blog, you can view the blog once more, and this looks highly professional in my eyes, and you have successfully created a free blog website on blogger.com. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.